I'm Nikhil Chawla and today it's time for indulgence on the Unbiased blog. Today we're going to talk about the 6 Amazon features on the Maruti Suzuki Nexa XL6. So it's time for indulgence. Let's get started on Top Tech and talk about 6 connected Amazon Alexa features on the Nexa XL6.
Welcome back to Suzuki Connect.
So let's start. What's the first command that you want to show us?
So the first command would be we'll check our fuel status. Alexa, open Suzuki Connect.
Welcome back to Suzuki Connect. What would you like to do today?
Check fuel status.
As on the 24th of April 2022, at 10:33 a.m. your car's fuel level was 24%.
Great.
What else would you like to do?
Check the door lock status.
As on the 24th of April 2022, at 10:33 a.m. all your doors were unlocked.
Great.
Now
What
let's
else
try
would you
and lock
like
the
to do?
doors. Lock the car's door.
Please confirm your voice pin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, locking your car's doors. Okay, your car's doors are locked. Do you want to set this car as default for all operations?
Yes.
Okay, XL6 with registration number MA3CNC72SND290701 is now set as your default car. What else would you like to
4.
do?
Turn on the hazard lights.
Okay, turning on your car's hazard lights. Your car's hazard lights are turned on. What else would you like to do?
Turn on the air conditioner.
What temperature would you like to set the AC at?
20 degrees.
Okay, please note that your car engine will turn on with this operation. Should I go ahead and turn on the AC at 20 degrees?
Yes.
So it intimates you before it starts the engine.
Okay, turning on your car's AC. Your car's AC is turned on.
So it's time for the
What
last
else
and
would you
final.
like to do?
Turn off the air conditioner.
Okay, turning off your car's AC. Okay, your car's AC is turned off.
So these are the 6 amazing Alexa skills on the Suzuki Nexa XL6. There are 30 plus connected features. Do let us know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the Unbiased blog.